In this video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok videos in Clipchamp. So the first thing that you want to do here is just install Clipchamp uh, through the Microsoft Store. It's actually free. So once you've done that, go ahead and open up the application and create a new project. So for you to create a new project, just click on the create a new video option here. Just click on it. And from here, you'll be redirected to the UI, which is actually the edit UI for Clipchamp. So you can see a section here that says import media. You could press this button, or you could just simply drag the video that you want to edit. So just gonna drag it here, the video you want to edit. Then from here, you have your media. So how do you actually use your media that you've dragged here on this section here? You just want to drag it here, and from here at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see this specific size here that says 16 by 9. That's the actually the size for our workspace here. I'm just gonna resize this a bit so that the video will fit on my screen. So, how do you actually resize this for TikTok? So you just want to press on this button here and go to 916, which is the size usually that we use for phones. So once you've done that, you just want to resize your video again on how you want it to look like on your TikTok uh, account or the post that you'll be posting. So here it seems like this look is good. So yeah, so that's how you resize it. So how do you use the basic tools for this one? So actually, it's gonna be a really easy one. So I'll show you the first tool that is actually pretty basic. So the first tool that we are going to teach you is the cut tool. So when you actually navigate throughout your timeline here, but when you start, this tool is actually not available to you. But when you navigate to a different location on your timeline here, you just split or cut tool will be available to you. This is a shortcut. You just press on S, or you can just press on this button. So when you press this, this will actually split your clips into two parts. So when you actually navigate in between that part, it's gonna be dark. So yeah, so if you change this specific section here, you can just press on the delete button, and that would delete the space. Or you could just click on the undo or Control Z shortcut on your keyboard, and that would undo the previous step that you've done. Actually, Control Z is pretty similar to Adobe Photoshop and Premiere. So if you're familiar with those tools, this tool is gonna be really easy for you. So yeah, so the other thing that we could actually do here is to add text to our video. So just click on text here, and from here there's actually a free how do you say this presets for you to add a new text here. So for example, just gonna use this zoom fade in zoom option. You're just gonna drag hit it here on our clip, and from here you'll be able to see a specific section that's added to our clip that says the the text for it. So for you to actually edit this text, you want to go to the top right corner of your screen that says text, and from here you just want to change the text. So for example, this is dramatic text. Yep. So yeah, and the next thing, you could actually change the font for it. So if you want to change this to another one, so for example, we want Anton or something quite dramatic. So maybe we could choose maybe yeah, spicy. I know. Here you could just actually, yeah. So that's how you change your text there. So now you've changed the actual text on your text box here. To change the tra positioning, you have to go to transform. You could select the corners here where you want to put your text. So it's actually a preset or where they're gonna be allocated. Just choose the appropriate allocation, and you actually could change the size also. So I just wanted to put it center and just make it a lot bigger. usual. So if you want to change color, you just go to color, fade. You could choose to increase the fade in and fade out. Effects, here is actually different effects that you could use, and you could also adjust the color for it. So yeah, so if you want to reduce the duration, you could just drag and drop the the end. I mean, in the end of the clip, you could just drag and it to a specific length or make it shorter. Yeah. So another thing that we could do here is we could add transitions. So go to the left side of your screen, just click on transitions. Yeah. So we're just gonna use the free ones here. So maybe the hard one and just drag it here on the plus button, just in between the two clips. And as you can see, oh, when we go through the clip, yep. So as you can see, there's the transition. So if you want to, like, you're finished editing uh your project here, you just click on export, and from here you could choose the quality that you want. So just choose the quality you want to use, and from here just wait it to load up. And here you could choose actually where you want to share your video. We have also here the percentage on how much the video is actually being exported. So right now, I just want to click on save to and export and save it to a location where you want, and you should be able to upload this on TikTok. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.